Blessed is he who comes in the name of the Lord. The Lord is God and has revealed himself to us. Receive the body of Christ. Drink the source of immortality. Receive the